All the parts to lower my Integra has finally arrived, so we're gonna do that today. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. I'm Craig Gentry.
Hey, I'm CRXSeth.
Today we're going to be working on my Integra, but we're over here in Seth's garage. I mentioned before in another video that I'm not much of a mechanic. He's a lot better at this stuff than I am, and we're going to get the Integra lowered. Okay, so we're going to start on the front end first. So we've got coilovers and we've got tie rod ends and also brake pads and rotors. So let's get this stuff unboxed and ready to roll.
Clicks to go up. I see 2 notches.
I want to say thank you again to Maxpeedingrods for providing me with these coilovers. I'm on a small budget for this quote-unquote build, so this really helps me spend money on other things like wheels and tires, the steering tie rod parts, just stuff like that it really needs, rather than having to spend $700 or $1,000 even on coilovers. So thank you so much, Maxpeedingrods, for helping me get this little budget build going in the right direction. Day 2 is about to start. Last night we got the front finished up, so we're gonna start on the rear end of the car today. If you notice that I've not gotten my hands dirty on this video, Seth is also shooting YouTube, and it's really hard to get 2 cameras into these little tight spots to shoot this stuff, as well as getting work done. So I'm basically just in his way whenever I am trying to help. So I can at least be his little tool girl and just help him out in any way that I can, and we'll both get the shots that we need. So let's get this car wrapped up and on the ground and get these coilovers adjusted and get it lowered. All right, we got the Integra all finished and lower down. We got the coilovers adjusted the way that we wanted them. So let's wrap this up and get it out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put a link to Maxpeedingrods down in the description below. Check them out if you're in the market for some coilovers. Make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you give me a subscribe, and make sure you go check out CRXSeth's channel. He's got a full build out series of the silver CRX that we showed earlier, so make sure you watch that whole thing from beginning to end. It's a really good series, and you'll really enjoy that car. So thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.